Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Stripe API and set up a webhook, step by step. Our goal is to help you efficiently implement powerful payment solutions seamlessly into your applications. First, open your browser and navigate to stripe.com. Click on the Sign In button and enter your email and password to access your Stripe account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where all the action begins. Navigate to the Home tab of your Stripe account dashboard, and from there, head over to the Developers page. This section acts as the tech hub of your Stripe account, providing all the tools you need to integrate Stripe's API into your systems smoothly. Look for the API Keys option and click on it. Here, you'll find crucial details for your integration. You can copy your API keys directly from this page. These keys are essential for authenticating API requests and ensuring secure transactions in your application. For those needing to set up a webhook, the next steps are critical. Webhooks allow you to receive real-time updates as they happen in your Stripe account. If you're not already on the Developers page, navigate back there and click on Webhooks. From the Webhooks page, click on Add Endpoint. An endpoint URL is where Stripe will send webhooks to notify you about events in your account. Next, select the specific events you would like to receive notifications for, such as checkout.session.completed or invoice.payment-succeeded, depending on your requirements. After selecting the events, hit Continue. You will then need to specify the webhook endpoint URL where the event notifications will be sent. Ensure that this URL can receive requests from Stripe and process them as needed. Adding a description for your webhook setup can help keep things organized, especially if you plan on setting up multiple webhooks. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click Create Endpoint. This will finalize adding your webhook to your Stripe account configuration. And just like that, you can begin receiving vital notifications directly in your application whenever the specified events occur. By following these steps, you can enhance your application's functionality with seamless payment processing and real-time updates, leveraging the full power of Stripe's API and webhook capabilities.